In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend images in a Google Slides presentation. This process is fantastic for creating unique visuals that can add depth and creativity to your slides. So, let's dive right in. To start, you first need to gather the images you want to blend together. Once you have them ready, go to your Google Slides presentation. Click on Insert in the top menu, hover over Image, and then choose whether you want to upload them directly from your computer or select images from Google Drive or the web. After selecting and inserting the images, you'll want to ensure they are positioned in a way that allows them to blend seamlessly. Now that your images are on the slide, the next step is arranging them. This is where you'll resize and position each image. The idea is to overlap them in a manner that suits the design you're aiming for. Resize them by clicking and dragging the corners, and carefully position them to achieve the overlap effect that you desire. This part is crucial as it sets the foundation for the blending effect. Once the images are arranged, you'll need to adjust their layering. Deciding which image appears on top and which is beneath is essential to creating your desired blending effect. To do this, select the image you wish to reorder, right-click on it, then hover over Order in the drop-down menu. Here, you'll see options like Bring to Front, Send to Back, Bring Forward, and Send Backward. Choose Send to Back if you want it behind other images, or Bring to Front if you prefer it on top. Play around with these options until you find the perfect layering for your presentation. With your images positioned and layered, it's time to adjust the transparency, which is the key to achieving that seamless blend. Start by selecting the image whose transparency you wish to alter. Once selected, look towards the top of your screen and click on Format Options. A menu will appear on the right-hand side. Within this menu, click on Adjustments. Here, you'll see a transparency slider. By sliding it to the right, the image becomes more transparent, allowing underlying images to show through. This adjustment helps blend the images softly into one another, creating a smooth and unified appearance. Feel free to experiment with different levels of transparency until you achieve the effect you're pleased with. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively blend images in Google Slides, adding an artistic touch to your presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.